Welcome to Conscious Mind Short Meditations. I'm Jordi, and today we are going to explore one of the most mystical and fascinating aspects of meditation: astral travel. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to transcend the limits of your physical body and journey into other dimensions without leaving your seat? This profound experience has been believed and practiced by many cultures throughout history. Astral travel is a state where your astral body, a subtle, invisible part of yourself, separates from your physical body. During this process, you have the chance to explore non-physical spaces where your consciousness can soar freely, unbound by the limits of the material world. This not only expands your awareness, but also offers deep insights into the nature of existence and your connection to the universe. The goal of today's meditation is not just to achieve deep relaxation, but also to expand your mind, experience the incredible power of consciousness, and go beyond physical boundaries. To begin, prepare a quiet space, release any expectations, and get ready to embark on this magical journey. Now let's start by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and gradually disconnect from the sounds and images of the outside world. Focus your attention on your breath. Take a deep inhale, feeling the fresh air pass through your nose, filling your lungs. Then exhale slowly, releasing all tension and pressure from within your body. Continue breathing rhythmically. With each inhale, imagine drawing positive energy into your body. With each exhale, release all stress, worries, and pressure. Gradually, focus on each part of your body, starting from the top of your head. Feel the relaxation spreading from your head, through your forehead, eyes, and down to your face, neck, and shoulders. Let all tension in these areas gradually melt away. Continue letting this relaxation flow down your arms, hands, chest, abdomen, and then down to your legs and feet. Your entire body is now fully relaxed, light, and peaceful. Now, imagine a radiant light appearing from the center of your being, spreading all around you, wrapping you in a protective shield. This light can be pure white, gentle blue, or any color that makes you feel the most safe and peaceful. This protective light will accompany you throughout your journey, keeping you safe and confident as you explore. Now that your body is fully relaxed and surrounded by protective light, we will move into a deeper state of focus. Imagine a special object or symbol that resonates deeply with you. It could be a flower, a star, or a geometric shape like a circle or triangle. Choose an image that brings you peace and stability. Then focus on it in your mind. Gradually, feel the separation between your physical body and your astral body. Imagine that inside your physical body, there is a more subtle, lighter version of yourself, which is your astral body. This body begins to vibrate gently, sensing increasing energy, ready to separate from the physical form. Now, allow your astral body to slowly detach from your physical self. At first, you might feel yourself floating just a few centimeters above your physical body, as if you are gently suspended in the air. This lightness brings a sense of total freedom, as if all the constraints of the material world have vanished. Continue to experience this process as your astral body rises higher, leaving your physical body behind. You can observe the surrounding space from a completely new perspective, a view of absolute freedom. Everything that was once familiar now feels distant and small, and you can sense the lightness, comfort, and infinite possibilities. No gravity, no limitations, just you and the freedom of your soul. Enjoy this feeling for a moment, sensing your connection to the universe and preparing to go further on your journey of astral exploration. Now that you are completely separated and free to move within the astral realm, begin exploring the infinite spaces you can experience. You can choose to explore real locations such as ancient cities, mystical forests, or sacred mountains. Or you can create scenes entirely from your imagination. Kingdoms of light, radiant star pathways, or fantastical worlds that only your soul can touch. In this journey, you may meet other spiritual entities, guides, or beings of light. Open yourself to receiving the messages they bring, as they may offer you advice, wisdom, and guidance on your path of spiritual growth. One significant goal of this journey is to explore the Temple of Knowledge, a sacred space deep within the astral realm. Imagine a magnificent temple glowing with cosmic energy. As you enter, you will see ancient books, paintings, and symbols that hold deep knowledge of the universe and yourself. Here, you can learn and absorb the truth that the universe wishes to reveal to you. After completing your exploration, it is time to return to your physical body. Begin by imagining the path of light that brought you here. Feel your astral body slowly descending, gently returning to where it began, and gradually reuniting with your physical form. Once your soul is fully integrated with your body, start focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and gradually open your eyes. Feel the environment around you again, the presence of your body, and slowly move your fingers and toes to reconnect with the physical world. Finally, take a few minutes to reflect on your experience. Write down what you saw, felt, and learned during this journey. The lessons and messages you received can help guide you on your spiritual path in everyday life.